What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price chart, Bitcoin market cap chart, the Bitcoin bull run over. Should we be expecting lower prices for Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin going to touch 20k? A lot of people are saying we still need extreme fear in this market. People are calling for $13,000 Bitcoin, $24,000 Bitcoin. Guys, we're looking at all the support and all the resistance for Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin in the downtrend? Is the bull run over? But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop new videos. To all my returning subscribers, thanks for always watching all my videos. I appreciate you guys. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
At the point of recording this video, one Bitcoin is going for 29,500. A lot of people are saying this is the bottom. Bitcoin cannot dump any further. The market is in extreme fear. Yesterday, we were still in extreme fear. So the sentiment in the market is that a lot of people are scared. And guys, we all know that Bitcoin is the driver in the market. If Bitcoin is pumping, the whole market has a chance to pump. But if Bitcoin is dumping, guess what, guys? The whole market has a very, very high chance of actually dumping with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the leader in the market. When Bitcoin goes on this bull run, we see increased valuation with all the coins. Right now, Bitcoin is holding 29,000, and guys, 29,000 was the support that we held last year in 2021 when we had a mad dump in May, June, July. You can see when Bitcoin came from $64,000, it dumped to as low as 28,000. On some exchanges, 29,000. But you could see that $29,000 region held. Then we went on a retracement. After we went on that retracement, guess what, guys? Bitcoin went and set a new all-time high. Now, a lot of people are waiting for Bitcoin to retrace, me included, to go back to the $58,000, $57,000 region. But guys, let's just put another thinking cap and ask ourselves this question. Is Bitcoin in the bear market? Should we be expecting more downtime for Bitcoin? Because right now, this price action is not showing us that we're in the bull market, it's showing us that we're in the bear market. Yes, we're not going to go down in a straight line. We'll be expecting some bounce very, very soon. But is this support going to hold? Is 29,000 going to hold, guys? If 29,000 doesn't hold, where's the next support? The next logical support for us is 24,000. Now, why is it 24,000? You can see that when we started pumping, going to the moon, that was last year in 2021, or ending of 2020, entering 2021. You can see that 24,000 was a region where we just briefly had a small, we just chilled here for a little. You see here from December 18 to December 25th, we chilled around 24,000. So that will be the next logical support for 24,000. A lot of people say 24,000 won't hold. We might probably go back to the previous all-time high, which is around 20k. So if we go back and put the chart on the 3-day time frame for us to see the bigger picture of things, you could see right now where we are right now. We are actually on the top of the 29k. We want this 29k to hold. If it doesn't hold, guys, 24,000 and 19,000 our next point of support for Bitcoin. So is Bitcoin in the bear market? Guys, this price action is showing us that Bitcoin is in the bear market, and I'll be showing you something on the market cap chart that is really convincing why Bitcoin is in the bear market. A lot of people have been saying Bitcoin has never gone below its previous all-time high after it set a new all-time high. Guys, this is crypto and this is trading and investing. There's always a first time for everything. You can see right here that Bitcoin got to a new all-time high in 2013 March. Bitcoin got as high as $250. Let me zoom out so that you can see Bitcoin got as high as $250. What happened after that? Bitcoin had a very, very violent correction. Bitcoin dumped how many percent? Bitcoin dumped around 82%. That's what Bitcoin normally does during the bear market. Bitcoin dumped 82, 83%. After that, Bitcoin didn't come back. When Bitcoin went back to set a new all-time high, it didn't come back to test the previous all-time high. You can see that we went, set a new all-time high around 1,129. But guys, something very important happened. You can see that when Bitcoin set that new all-time high, it was dumping. It came below the previous all-time high it set before this new all-time high. So if we come back to our normal day settings, we will say that Bitcoin first set a new all-time high at 64k. It now set a new all-time high at 69k. So if it's going to do what it did in 2013, it's probably going to come below its previous all-time high. And guys, that's the reason why some people are actually calling not for a 24,000 Bitcoin, not for a 19,000 Bitcoin. Some people are actually saying we might go as low as 13,000. Is it possible? Is the mass adding up, guys? From Bitcoin all-time high, if Bitcoin is going to fall over 82% the way it does in every bear market, guys, we might actually see Bitcoin drop maybe as low as 10,000, as low as 12,000. People are calling for 13,000. I will actually favor around 12,000. Can Bitcoin get around 12,000, 13,000? only time will tell. But history has showed us that in all bear markets, when Bitcoin actually dumped, you can see in 2018, 2017 bull run, when it finished, when it got over, Bitcoin actually dumped how many percent? 83%. And you can see again in 2013 when Bitcoin dumped from its all-time high to the bottom of the bear market in the bull run, how many percent did Bitcoin dump? It dumped over 80 something percent. So right now, if Bitcoin will dump over 80 something percent from the previous all-time high, which is 69,000, we'll expect to see Bitcoin as low as probably 10, 12, 11,000. Your guess is as good as mine. Nobody knows where to drop, but it looks as if Bitcoin will go below its previous all-time high. And guys, another very, very curious case is that this 20k region has not been tested for Bitcoin. After we broke the previous all-time high, we didn't test it, and that's why there's a lot of confluence around this 19k. But guys, I believe if 19k actually breaks, we'll be seeing a lot of downside for Bitcoin. And let's take off all these lines and let's use the Fibonacci extension to as our next guide to see as Bitcoin reaches full extension on the market cap chart. Guys, if you look at the market cap chart, you can see that if you go to the top of the previous bull run for Bitcoin to the bottom of the bear market for Bitcoin, guys, can tell us that Bitcoin got to as close as reaching its full extension as possible. You can see that Bitcoin right now got to 69,000 on the price chart, and for the full extension to get complete on the Fibonacci extension, so Bitcoin could have gotten to 72k. So we really got very, very close up there. Right now, Bitcoin at 29,000 is in a huge support, and this is why I like this Fibonacci extension tools. You can see that all these lines are acting as support and resistance. Right now, if we can break 29k, if this 29k support doesn't hold, our next logical support on the Fibonacci extension tool is going to probably 19,000, and your guess is as good as mine. Anything that is going to take Bitcoin to come from 29,000 to 19,000, which is just a how many percent dump, and Bitcoin can literally do this 32% in 2 days. It is very, very easy. A lot of people say the bottom is not in because a lot of people say the bottom is in, and if we cannot get to that 32%, then I'm expecting to see probably around a 50% dump on Bitcoin. That's to take Bitcoin around 41,000. To take Bitcoin to 14k, we have to say 51% on Bitcoin. Bitcoin dropped 51% in the past. Yes, it has done that and can do that again. You can see when the COVID sell-off happened, Bitcoin dropped over 62% in just 1 month. So Bitcoin has not done anything strange that it has not done. Fibonacci extension tool is telling us that Bitcoin has gotten as close at its full extension as possible. And guys, we are following the 4 phases of the market cycle. We'll agree that we have accumulation here by the big players. Then we have the markup where the price will go up very, very quickly. That will draw the retail investors. Then we have the distribution range. And guys, from the bottom of the bear market, that's around $3,100 to where we are right now. You can see we're almost up in 9x, 10x from to the last point of supply. That's the last pump we had. That was 48k. Bitcoin was up over 1,400% from the bottom of the market. You say Bitcoin is actually high. A lot of people complain that Bitcoin is actually high. Got Bitcoin at the top here. That's at the distribution phase. So is Bitcoin in the downtrend? Because after accumulation, after markup, after distribution, then comes the downtrend or the markdown before we see another accumulation. Are we in the downtrend? Only time will tell, guys. Looking at the Bitcoin market cap chart, the market cap chart is just basically like the Bitcoin price chart, but because we have new Bitcoin coming to circulation, the market cap chart actually gives us a different figure. And you can see that right now on the market cap chart, Bitcoin is still a $561 billion asset. The next support for Bitcoin on the market cap chart is to come as low as 354 billion. Can you do that? We really hope that 19k region will hold. Because 19k region doesn't hold, we might see Bitcoin touching its previous all-time high on the market cap chart, and that's around 325 billion. And if Bitcoin gets as low as 13,000 or 12,000 as the price chart is telling us, guys, we might see Bitcoin get as low as $250 billion. Is that possible, guys? This is crypto. Everything is possible. You don't want to rule anything out of the possibility. We have been in a bull run for like 3 years. The Bitcoin has been in a bull run since end of 2018, and we have enjoyed the upward trend in Bitcoin for over 1,066 days. And for a total, Bitcoin valuation has gone up over 2,000%. Can Bitcoin continue going up? A lot of people have been calling for 100k and 200k, 85k. Guys, we need to chill down a bit. I want to be logical with this. I know a lot of people don't want to see the bear market. We want the fun of the bull run to continue. If we use the Fibonacci extension tool on the market cap chart, guys, it's telling us that Bitcoin has actually gotten to its top. You can see that on the price chart, it showed us that Bitcoin has not gotten to its top. It still has a little room to run. But on the market cap chart, it's telling us that Bitcoin has gotten to its top and Bitcoin is on its way down. Now, Bitcoin is at support. It's at that $500 billion mark support. It bounced off there. And right now, we're at $563 billion. We want to see that hold if we're going to see all season, if we're going to see the crypto bull run continue. But right now, these two charts showing us that, guys, Bitcoin is in the ending phase of its bull run. We always talk about the 4-year cycle, and I think the 4-year cycle has played out. We are going on the downtrend. Is the bear market confirmed, guys? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think about that. The market is in extreme fear. Should you be buying more crypto? Should you be selling more crypto? History has showed over time that if you are buying in extreme fear, you will actually have a high chance of selling in extreme greed. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7